Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you students? I hope you are fine. Today we are again here for your online classes. This is your second class. Today the day is Wednesday and the date is 14th April 2021. First of all, I will tell you the book name. This is your English book. This is for class 7. Now we will open the book. We will open the book from the content. We was reading the second lesson, that is our villages. If you remember, we have taken the first class of this one lesson. The page number is 15. Now we will open the page number 15. Here is the page number 15, lesson number 2, our villages. If you remember, we have done the reading of this one, half reading of this one story. In the story, they told us that Anjum's father was very tired. His wife suggested him to take a leave and go to the parents' village, and their parents' village was name was Noorpur. He was very excited. All the parents, he has gone to his parents. His parents was very happy to see him. He spent his time there, and also they told us that how many people live in the big villages. It's 5,000 or 6,000, and in the small villages people's amount was only 2,000. Villages have the simple houses. There are the masajid in the villages. There are trees around the every houses, and the villages high schools and high schools, hospitals and post offices are in the big villages. Small villages don't have these things, and the postal needs very are completed by the teacher of primary school. Now we will take start from the next paragraph number 6. Most of the villages have only one or two wells. Village women do the tiresome duty of fetching water from these wells. Tiresome means difficult, and fetching waters means bringing waters from these wells. They also move to the next page. They also work with their male family members in the fields. Men are mostly farmers who do the work of sowing, growing, and harvesting crops. Harvesting crops means they sow the seeds, and then when the crops become ripe, and they harvest it or cut it. It is altogether a hard and tiresome work. What is the daily routine of the villagers? What are the daily routine? Daily routine is that they sow the seeds, and the seed will grow and they harvest it. Okay, our village has a rural health center where patients are checked and give medicines. Rural means of the village, means अब गाँव में जो दही मरकज़ होते हैं. Our village normally has small shops situated here and there for shopping in bulk. The villagers have to go to nearest town. Bulk means very heavy shopping for the purpose of purchasing big things like food, dresses, these things. They have to go to the nearest town. The village panchayat senior members, team of senior members, you can say, work for the welfare of the villagers and look after the needs of people. It helps the villagers by settling their disputes means problems, and it also helps in improving their working and living conditions. What does the panchayat do for the villagers? What they do? They solve their problems and settle their disputes. On the whole, the villagers are simple people. They live like a family. They share each other's joys and sorrows. Our villagers have, move to the next page, retained their old traditions and customs. Traditions and customs means they are following the all the old traditions. Anjum's fathers enjoyed his stay with his parents. He came back to his family fully refreshed. Well, now we have completed the reading. Now we will do the book work. As you know that we have done some book work previously. Today we will do the book work from the page number 23. Here is the book work of page number 23. I have mentioned the date 14th April 2021 and the day Wednesday. It is preposition. If you remember, we have done the preposition first. Now again I will tell you about the preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation to any other word of the sentence. This is the word that show the relation of the sentence to other words, and it is put before noun and pronoun. For example, she is fond of reading books. Of is preposition. The sky is above our head. Arif lives with his parents. He goes to school daily. Of, above, with, and to. All these words are preposition. Now question is, fill in the blanks with correct prepositions. What is the first blank? The cows are dash the field. The cows are in the field. In is the preposition. Second one, you should stand dash her. By her. By is the preposition. He killed the snake dash a stick. Dash stick with a stick. I know nothing dash him. Nothing dash him about him. The dog jumped dash the car over the car. Over is the preposition. Number 6 is China is dash the north of Pakistan. In. China is in the north of Pakistan. Okay, you will solve these prepositions on your notebooks. Sorry, on your books. Compound prepositions. Compound prepositions are formed by prefixing a preposition to a noun, an adjective or an adverb. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल कंपाउंड prepositions क्या हैं? कंपाउंड prepositions वो हैं हमारे नाउन एडजेक्टिव और एडवर्ब के साथ मिलाकर इनको यूज़ किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अक्रॉस. एंड अक्रॉस मीन्स अ प्लस क्रॉस, यानी ए और क्रॉस को मिलाने से अक्रॉस बनता है. अलॉन्ग, ए प्लस लॉन्ग मीन्स ए प्लस लॉन्ग मीन्स अलॉन्ग. बिहाइंड, बी वाई बाय, एच ए आई एन बिहाइंड प्लस टू वर्ड्स ज्वाइन करेंगे तो बिहाइंड बनेगा. बी नीथ, बी प्लस नीथ मीन्स बी नीथ ऐसे बनता है जब टू वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करते हैं. बी साइड, बाय साइड मीन्स बाय प्लस साइड मीन्स बाय साइड्स, besides. Underneath, under plus neath. These words are called compound prepositions. Here are some examples. There is a bridge dash the river across the river. He is walking along the road along. The treasure lies beneath the rock. Lies beneath is the preposition. He is hiding behind the tree. Behind is the preposition. She is sitting beside me. Beside is the preposition. Move to the next page. On the page number 24. Again we will ready the page like this. 14th April 2021 and CWN Wednesday. Fill in the blanks with compound prepositions. Our first blank is the earth revolves dash the sun. Revolves around the sun. He knows English dash Urdu. Besides. Divide the apple dash the two sisters. Between. There is a village dash the hill beside the hill. A stranger was walking dash the pathway of my house. Walking along. We cannot live dash water without water. It helps the villagers by settling the disputes dash them among them. These are called the compound prepositions. With this, we will do the question answers. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why do we call Pakistan a land of villages? Pakistan is called a land of villages because almost 70% of our total population lives in village. What is usually the population of a small village? The population of a small village is about 2000 people or less. What facilities are available in our villages? Our big villages have facilities of primary schools, health centers, post offices, electricity, etc. Small villages do not have even these facilities. Why is it better to live in a healthy environment? Our healthy life is a reflection of our healthy environment. Fresh air, water, and greenery adds calm to life. Question number 5. Where would you like to live and why? I would like to live in a village due to its pure and healthy environment. Question number 6. How do the villagers retain old traditions and customs? Answer is they lead a simple life, share each other joys and sorrows, and live like a family. I hope you will write these question answers on your notebook. Also solve the book work and also learn the reading properly. Okay, goodbye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.